If you're looking to withdraw your Docs coin to your local bank account, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll take you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to convert your Docs coin to USDT and then withdraw it to your local bank account. Hello and welcome to Just Make Money Online channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw or convert your Docs coin to USDT and then withdraw it to your local bank account. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're new to cryptocurrency. I'll walk you through each step in detail. Firstly, I would like to say kudos to everyone who believed in Docs from the start. Your patience and dedication have paid off. Now, how can you withdraw your Docs coin? The first step is to access your cryptocurrency exchange platform, and I'll be using Bybit today. But you can use any exchange that supports your Dogecoin and USDT. So once you're logged in, navigate on to the assets section. Okay, so this is it here. So we're in our assets section. You head to your unified trading here. Which is where your Docs coin was credited after you claimed it, and you search for Docs, okay, to confirm if your coin has been credited. Okay, this is it here. Okay, I currently don't have anything here, but if yours has been credited to your Bybit exchange successfully, you're going to see the Docs coin here. Okay, so that's the first step. Then you head back to where you have the spots. Let me show you. You head back to your sports section here. Okay, you click on it and then you search for Dogs. You can see mine is already showing Dogs and USDT pair. Okay, so if you not see it in yours, you just simply click on here. Let me show you where I clicked on. You click here, simply click here, okay, to search for it. You can just type in Dogs here, Dogs, and then that's the first thing you have here. You just click on it, okay, and then voila, you'll be redirected to this place. So here you can see we have the buy and the sell section on the site. So apparently you want to sell your Dogs coin. That's the first step. Okay, so you click on sell instead. All right, and you can see the price here, and the quantity of Dogs you have is here, and then the amount you're going to receive is in USDT is what you're going to see here. Okay, so the first step is to sell your Dogs, and by selling your Dogs you are converting it to the USDT before you can then withdraw it into your local bank account. Let's assume I want to withdraw all of my Dogs coins, okay, which some of you decided to keep your Dogs coins just in case the price increase, or what we all know as maybe pump or something like that, so you'll be able to like get uh, a greater value, okay, before you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. Why some of you want to withdraw your Dogs coin ASAP, like as soon as possible. So you just click on, if you want to withdraw 25%, you will just scroll to this place, you put it in this place. That is, you want to receive you want to convert or withdraw. Let's just say you want to convert 25% of your Dogs coin. I don't have anything in my balance right now, so but if you do, you'll see the value here. Okay, so if you want to convert 50%, you just scroll to the middle like this. That's like half of the Dogs coin that you have. And if you want to convert 100%, you just scroll to the end. That means all the Dogs coin you have in your wallet is one you want to convert to USDT. So let's assume I have 15,000 Dogs coin. Are you seeing that? That means I'll be receiving 18.37 USDT in return. Okay, so when I'm ready, I'll just click on sell Dogs. All right, you click on sell Dogs like this. Let me show you. So you click on sell Dogs when you're ready, but I'm not going to click on sell Dogs because I don't have any coins on my wallet for now. So when you click on sell Dogs, your coin is going to be automatically credited to, or converted to USDT. That is, you've successfully converted your Dogs coin to USDT. In some cases, yours might not convert immediately or automatically. You just have to wait for it for a little while, because there are a lot of you that are currently converting your coins and trying to sell your coins, trying to trade your dogs coins. So that's why you might experience some delay in your dogs coins being converted to USDT. So I would advise you just wait patiently, just in case you don't see your dogs coin, or you don't see your already converted dogs coin in the USDT section of your Bybit app. So guys, that's how to successfully convert your dogs coin to your USDT, which is the first and important step to withdrawing your dogs into your bank account. Now let's continue to the second section of this video, which is to show you how to finally withdraw your USDT into your local bank account after you have converted your dogs coin to your USDT. Okay, so I'm back to my homepage, and now I want to sell my USDT. How do I go about it? The first thing to do is to click on your assets again. You know where to locate your assets on the app. So when you click on it, you're going to see your unified trading here. Okay, you can see here we have our USD in the unified trading section, so we're going to click on it right now. Okay, but the first thing you have to do now is to transfer your coin from the unified trading to your funding account. Okay, that is important and necessary so you can sell your your coin. So I'm going to click on transfer. Click on the center like this, so it's going to show that you are transferring from your unified trading to your funding account. And when you have coin, you're going to select USDT. You can see here it says my balance is 80 USDT. Okay, you can just call it $80, some of you, if you want to understand what it means. Okay, so if I want to transfer everything from my unified trading account to my funding account, I'm just going to click on where you see max, or where we have max. I'm going to click on where we have max, and then you can see that my 80 USDT has appeared there. And if you want to just withdraw, like what's it called, some of it, you can manually impute it here. Okay, maybe you want to withdraw 18, or you want to transfer 18 from your unified trading account to your funding account, or if you want to transfer 20, you can manually impute it yourself. Okay, so for me, in this video, I'm gonna let's do everything. Let's click on max. Okay, see your max here. For those of you who do not know where to locate your max, you click on max here. Okay, so that's it, and then you click on confirm. All right, you click on confirm. Okay, so we're waiting for it. Okay, it says transferred successfully. As you can see now, I have nothing in my unified trading account, which is also known as the sports account. Okay, so I'm going to go back now. You can see that my funds has been transferred to my funding account. Now that this has been done, the next thing for me to do is for me to go and sell this in the peer-to-peer trading section. Okay, so and how am I going to do that? I'm going to click on where I have more here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me highlight it for you. So where I have more, I'm going to click on more, and then I'm going to look for P2P trading. Okay, I found it. It's the P2P trading here. I'm going to click on it. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load. You can experience some network issues on the side, because we have a lot of people transacting and trading on the platform currently. So yeah, you can see here we have buy, we have sell, but what do we want to do? We want to sell our USDT, so we're going to click on where we have buy and sell. Rather, we're going to click on sell, and you can see they're going to like recommend merchants who are ready to buy your USDT. We have different amounts here. Okay, you can see the first advert here. This person is selling for 2010 per per USDT, or you can call it per dollars. Okay, for you to understand better, for the newbies in the house. But you can see here it says ineligible. Okay, meaning this advert is ineligible. We cannot sell to this person. Okay, and another thing you can see here is that this person has been active, or was active 50 minutes ago, meaning you should not trade with someone who is not currently active if you don't want, especially if you need the funds immediately, and then if you don't want any form of delay, you have to go for someone who is active. As you can see here, this person here is active, all right, but he is still ineligible. All right, another important thing you need to note, let me show you, is to filter out your amount, because you can see here, let's move to someone that's eligible here. Okay, seems almost every one of them here is ineligible. Okay, we can see this first advert, this person is online, and he's eligible. That's why you can see the sell button popped up here. Okay, so And another thing you need to know is that, okay, yeah, another thing you need to know is that they have their limits. Okay, as you can see here, this person is buying from 5 million to 11 million. Okay, he's buying from 5, that's his limit. Okay, and you can't just click to sell here and expect him to, send you the money, because it has to be within the range of his limits, which is, if you want to sell 5 million, from 5 million naira to 11 million naira, that's when you can sell to him. Okay, but for example, we have $80 in our wallet now, and that's not even up to 200,000 naira. So I won't be going for him. So what am I going to do? I'm going to filter the amount I need. I think 80,000 naira should be $80 should be around let's say 120 to 130 or thereabouts. So, but I'm just going to filter the amount to the amount of my choice. So this, where you have amount here, let me show you. Where you have amount here, you click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you see that there will be a box that is going to appear for you to manually type in the amount you want. So since I know $80 is around 120 or $130 according to the price per USDT, per 1 USDT. So let me just put in 100,000 naira and put on confirm. You click on confirm, you can see that it has refreshed. Okay, and as it has refreshed, it's going to give me the advert that suits my preference or my choice of amount. Okay, so these people are still ineligible, so let's go to the one that is eligible. Okay, have you seen that the limit has changed? We have this person selling for from 100,000 naira to 2 million naira. So, and it fits our balance. So we're going to click on, and he is online. Those are the important things you need to put in mind. Okay, and you don't have to rush in this thing. Okay, so you don't make mistakes at all. So I think we found the best advert. All right, so I'm just going to click on sell. Okay, when you're ready, you click on sell. And for those of you who are just starting for the first time, you have to like put your preferred payment method. Okay, you can see here I already have my preferred payment method here, which is bank transfer, which I've been doing. I've put in since I've been doing a lot of transactions on Bybit. I'm just going to click on it. When you click on it, you see the chance to put a bank transfer, and then your bank account. You have to put in your bank account. You're going to select your payment method first. Okay, mine is bank transfer. Okay, and then you put in your bank account, and then you're going to click on confirm. Okay, and if you click here, you can see where it says add a payment method below here. Okay, this is it. My method is bank transfer. You can decide to choose any other bank. Okay, it's your choice. It depends on wherever you are located all over the globe. Okay, so, and then let me go back. So you put in your bank account. You can see here he's saying you should enter your bank account number, your bank branch, your bank name, and your name, and then your payment method. So I chose bank transfer, and I'm going to click on confirm. I've already put in my bank account. So, and how much am I going to sell? I'm going to sell all. Okay, you can see it's about 127,000 I'm going to receive into my bank account right now. So guys, you see there's a timer here, so we have to be very fast. Okay, so that the price doesn't change. So I'm going to click on sell if I've confirmed I want to sell everything. Okay, you can see now the price has changed, so I have to go and choose another advert. Okay, let's go to another advert. All right, this guy here is online. Let's click on sell. This guy here is what we're going to choose. He's online. We're going to click on sell. Okay, click on sell, and I'm going to click on all. At least I want to sell all, but if you want to sell some amount, just put in the amount inside here manually. Okay, you type it in manually, and I'm going to click on sell. Okay, so it's very important you read instructions, because there are so many instructions on this app, so you don't make any mistake. For example, now you can see where it says contact buyer. Well, now we have initiated a trade, we have to contact the buyer, because he might have put an instruction there that we are not aware of. So click on contact buyer. Look at this instruction here. It says you should read before you proceed. He said, please, I beg you, don't ask me to cancel, blah 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 blah. Don't give me just make sure you read his instruction. And you can see here it says drop your active number in case you forget to release. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, just so you can send me my money or my funds, I have to send in my contact. All right, it's very important you do this. In fact, like this is like a system, or if you know me, on Bybit, which I'm already used to. So on behalf of those who are still new, please note this and always read instruction. We still have another instruction here that you need to read, so read it. And we have a timer here, okay, which is counting down for us in minutes, I think. So he has to send this money to a bank account within this minute. Okay, once it's over, I feel it's going to be, is it that it's going to be cancelled, or Bybit will have to like remind him to like make the payment, what's happening. And one thing I like about Bybit is that it's secured. Okay, what I'm seeing here, it says the buyer has paid. It's even very fast. Some people can delay You get, some people might delay, so he has made the payments. I'll just go and confirm for my bank account first of all. Let me go and do that behind camera. So guys, as I was saying, the first thing you have to do immediately the buyer says he has paid, you have to confirm that the money has entered your bank account. This is my bank account here, so I'm going to click on me to confirm if I have received the sum, the exact sum as as I was supposed to receive. As you can see here, I have received it already. You can see this is 127,768. I'm going to move here to check the trade record. You can see I was to receive 127,768, and that was what I received in my wallet. So you have to confirm first that this payment has been, sent to your account, because if you don't, hey, your money is going to go. This is just for the newbies in the house. I believe you understand. And please, if you have any questions at all, let me know. And if you've watched up to this moment, please hit the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you love contents on how to make money online, anything that has to do with making money online or online updates, okay, so you don't miss out on the videos I'm going to be uploading on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe today and send me a wonderful comment in the comment section if today's video has been of great value to you. Okay, so now that I have confirmed that I've received the fund, I'm just going to head back to my Bybit account. I'm going to click on release. Okay, you can see that the release button is not yet showing, so I have to go back, and this is just because of network. Okay, then when I go back, I'm going to click on this place here. Okay, so I can go back to the trading that is ongoing. So I've clicked on it. Are you seeing where it says pending coin release? Okay, this is what I do. I just decided to share it with you guys. All right, I click on pending coin release, and now you can see that the release button is now showing in yellow for us to click. All right, I'm going to click release now. All right, after I've clicked release now, I'm going to click I have checked my bank account or my e-wallet, and I've confirmed that the correct or the total sum has been credited to my bank account as my available balance, and I confirm that the merchant has made the payment to me. Now click on release now. Okay, so is it going to give you a warning message? Under no circumstances should you release the, if the full payment has not been received. So I'm going to click and acknowledge because I received the full payment. So this is what we need to do afterwards, which is for us to verify with our Google Authenticator code. If you are not new to Bybit, I believe you would have already initiated or activated this on your account. You download your Google Authenticator app from Google Play Store, and then you add maybe scan the QR code from Bybit, or you add the 16-digit code from Bybit, and then so you can receive code. So I'm going to head to my Google Authenticator app right now so I can get the code. All right, I'm just going to copy the code. This is my Bybit account here. I copy the code and I head back to my Bybit account. It has automatically pasted it for me, and I click on confirm. After I confirm that I have gotten this money credited to my account. So that's it, guys. The order has been concluded, and my assets are no longer locked by Bybit, because Bybit had to lock the money before I can before the seller can receive it from me, you get, or the buyer rather, because we are the one selling, so the merchant is like the buyer. Okay, so that's basically how to convert your Dogecoin to your USDT, and also how to withdraw your USDT into your local, or convert your USDT into your local currency and then withdraw it into your bank account. And yes, please let's know how much you made from the Dogecoin project in the comment section. Feel free to in the comment section the amount you made from the Dogecoin so we can celebrate with you. I believe this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the little bell like a notification, so whenever I upload videos on how to make money online, cryptocurrency and airdrop related content, you will be the first to get notified. And yeah, we have a WhatsApp group where we discuss cryptocurrency related stuff. You can just click the link in the description or comment section of this video to join us, join our community. And I also have another WhatsApp group which is for like general make money online updates. Do well to join the group if you need some assistance, and like I said earlier, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video and showing you how to withdraw your Dogecoin from your Telegram wallet, for those of you who made use of Telegram wallet to withdraw your Dogecoin.